Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Measure the distance from the center of the mounting holes to the front outside edge of the toilet bowl. If the measurement here is 17 inches or less, you have a round toilet. If it's 17.5 inches or more, you have an elongated toilet. 6 June 2011.
Let's help you make your mark.
The perfect fit. Most people find elongated toilet bowls to be more comfortable, but in a small bathroom, a round bowl can save space. Elongated toilet bowls measure up to 31 inches from the wall, while round fixtures max out at 28 inches. Because round bowls are less expensive than elongated bowls, they save a few dollars, too.
Take our lead.
An elongated toilet seat will technically fit on a round toilet, but the fit and comfort may be compromised. An elongated toilet seat will likely overhang a round toilet, which may be fine unless the rim of the toilet is visible within the opening of the toilet seat.
Let's help you make your mark.
A toilet's rough-in refers to the measurement dimension from the finished wall to the center of mounting holes on the floor flange. Toilets are typically offered in either 10-inch, 12-inch, or 14-inch rough-ins. The 12-inch rough-in is by far the most common in the U.S.
Let's help you make your mark.
Overall, a standard toilet will be between 27 and 30 inches deep, with a back height of 21 to 31 inches and a width of about 20 inches. An ADA-compliant version needs to have a seat height of 17 to 19 inches. 5 January 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Toilet seats don't come in sizes, but they do come in two different shapes: round toilet seats and elongated toilet seats, each of which correspond to two different toilet bowl shapes. Round toilet seats are still the standard in most homes, and they're the toilet seats you typically see most often.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Toilet height is measured from the floor to the top of the seat. Heights vary enough to be noticeable. Most often, they fall somewhere between 15 inches and 19 inches, with standard toilets coming in under 17 inches. However, chair height toilets, what Kohler refers to as comfort height toilets, measure 17 inches or more.
Take our lead.
The first step is to measure carefully to ensure that the toilet you purchase will fit in the same location as the old one. If the rough-in measurement is not between 11 inches and 13 inches, a standard toilet will not fit the space, and you will need to look for a toilet designed for that specific rough-in distance. 22 January 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Landlords must provide habitable houses or apartments for tenants, and one important aspect of a habitable residence is the plumbing system. Landlords are responsible for providing working toilets, sinks and bathtubs or showers in the bathroom. 11 December 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
No, there isn't a standard size for all toilet seats, due to a variety of toilet styles. There are key measurements that you will need. even though most seats are adjustable to fit the most common toilet bowl shapes. The measurements are the distance between the fixing holes, where the screws are.
Take our lead.
Can I use any toilet seat on any toilet? Any manufacturer's seats will fit any toilet manufacturer's bowls if they are standard round or standard elongated. If a manufacturer makes a bowl with different dimensions, then they must provide a special seat. This is known as a proprietary seat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.